The Haunted Mansion. Long ago, in the quiet village of Deepwali, there stood an old mansion at the edge of the woods. Children dared each other to go near it, but none ever did. It was known as the Hollow House, a place of strange whispers and flickering lights. For generations, villagers claimed it was haunted, cursed by the ghost of a greedy merchant named Elric who once lived there. Elric had been a wealthy man, obsessed with gold. He charged the poor high rents, refused to help beggars, and mocked the needy. One stormy night, an old woman came to his door, soaked and shivering. "Please," she begged, "a little food or shelter." "I have nothing." Elric laughed and slammed the door. But when he turned, he found his house plunged into darkness. His golden lantern, his prized possession, flickered and let out a whisper, "You shall now live as you have treated others." From that night on, Elric vanished. His mansion stood empty. But every year, on the same stormy night, villagers saw a lantern glow inside the hollow house and heard airy whispers floating through the wind. Years later, a poor but kind-hearted orphan named Sam arrived in Deepwali. He had nowhere to go and no one to turn to. Hearing of the haunted mansion, he saw it, not with fear, but hope. "If it's empty, maybe I can stay there, just for one night," he thought. With trembling steps, he entered the hollow house. Dust covered the walls, and the wind howled through broken windows. As he stepped inside, the old lantern in the hallway burst into flame. "Who dares enter?" came a whispering voice. Sam, though frightened, stood him ground. "I have no family. I seek only shelter, not riches or trouble." The house grew silent. Then the lantern glowed warmer, and the shadows pulled back. A figure appeared, transparent and sorrowful. It was Elric's ghost. "I was cursed for my greed. But your kindness may break the spell," he said. Sam listened as Elric confessed his sins. He wept for his pain, even though he had been a cruel man. "Everyone deserves a second chance," he said gently. Suddenly, the mansion shimmered with light. The cracks healed, the dust vanished, and warmth returned to the rooms. Elric's spirit smiled, before fading into peace. His lantern floated into Sam's hands, glowing with golden light. From that day on, the mansion became a home for the lost and poor. Sam welcomed everyone, feeding the hungry and comforting the lonely. The villagers, once afraid, now saw the house as a place of hope. Moral of the story is, true wealth lies not in gold, but in kindness. Compassion has the power to break even the darkest curses.